Hello students, welcome back to Smat Maths Exercises. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support motivates us to create more videos and subscribing ensures you will get notified whenever we upload new content. Let's get started. In the previous video, we have solved third and fourth main of exercise 8.1. Click the link displayed above to watch it. In this video, we will be solving from fifth main. Fifth is a statement question. Question is, Akbar jogs daily around a square park whose side is 85 meter long. One day he jogged around the park 5 times. How much did he jog on that day? Here the question says it's a square park. So we have to find out the perimeter of square. Fifth question. First, let us write what is the formula to find out the perimeter of square. The perimeter of a square is 4 into side. In the question, they have given the perimeter of the park. The perimeter of the park Now we have to find out the perimeter of the park. We can find out by applying the perimeter formula 4 into sides. In the question they have given the side which is 85. Multiply 85 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. So perimeter is 340 meters. Now they've asked that Akbar jogged around the park 5 times. How much did he jog on that day? We have to find out how much did he jog on that day. So distance jogged in five rounds is equals to, we have to multiply 5 into 340. Multiply 340 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fours are 20. 5 threes are 15 plus 2, 17. So it is 1700 meter. Therefore, Akbar jogged 1700 meters that day. Next question. The length and breadth of a soccer field are 65 yards and 53 1/3 yards respectively. Find the perimeter of the soccer field. Here they've given length and breadth and soccer field. Soccer field is rectangle. So we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. First, let us write the formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Now they've given the length of the soccer field. Length of the soccer field that is 65 yards. They've given the breadth of the soccer field which is 53 1 by 3 yards. Now 53 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. You have to convert this into improper fraction. Multiply 53 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 159 plus 1 is 160 by 3 yards. Now let us apply the formula. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L. L is, length is 65 plus breadth is 160 by 3. Now here we have 65 plus 160 by 3. You can simplify this by taking LCM. That is 2 into 65 plus 160. That is 65 by 1 plus 160 by 3. Take the LCM of 1 and 3. It is 3. 1 3s are 3. 3 1s are 3. So multiply 65 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. 195 plus 161s are 160. Keep this 2 as it is. Now add 195 plus 160. 195 plus 160. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 355 equals to 2 into 355 by 3. So multiply 355 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 710. 710 by 3. Now divide this. 3 outside, 710 inside. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down 1. 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. Bring down 0. 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. So make it into mixed fraction. 236 2 by 3 yards. Next question. The perimeter of an A4 size paper sheet is 39.92 inches. If its length is 11.69 inches, find its breadth. A4 size paper, it is a rectangle and length is given, breadth is not given, so it is a rectangle. We have to find out perimeter of rectangle. First, let us write the formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. Here perimeter of A4 size paper is given. Perimeter of an A4 size paper is equals to 39.92 inches. Length is given, length of the paper is equals to 11.69 inches. Now find out the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. So perimeter of rectangle is 39.92 is equals to 2 into length is given, length is 11.69 plus B is not given, so we'll keep B as it is. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is given, it is 39.92 equals to 2 into length is given 11.69 plus breadth is not given, so we'll keep B as it is. 39.92 equals to, now we will split this, 2 into 11.69 plus 2 into B. 39.92 equals to, multiply 2 into 11.6, 11.69 into 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 1s are 2, there is decimal point after two digits, 23.38 plus 2b. So when the right hand side comes to the left hand side, it becomes minus 39.92 minus 23.38 equals to 2b. Subtract 39.92 minus 23.38. 8 minus 3 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2p equals to 16.54. 2p equals to 16.54. Now 2 comes down, 16.54 divided by 2. Divide 2 and 16.54. 2 8s are 16. Bring down 5. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 4. 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 14 0. There is decimal point after 2 digits. So answer is 8.27 inches. Thank you. See you in the next video.